Hey guys, Jason Fleagle here, one of the co-hosts of the Grow Like a Pro show. I am actually in our studio here, planning some awesome upcoming episodes for you guys. It's going to be so exciting, but I want to share with you, we just launched our most recent episode with Lance Shnider, one of the founders of LNA Enterprises and BLOC-O, Business Leaders of Central Ohio. Lance's episode is chock full of awesome insights for you guys to be able to grow like a pro. Highly recommend checking it out. Also, Lance is doing a leadership boot camp in the next few weeks on January 29th. Tickets are selling out fast. You got to grab them while you can. I'm actually one of the speakers. It's going to be an awesome, exciting time, and you guys are going to be equipped with the leadership abilities you need to ultimately grow like a pro. Don't forget, tune in every Thursday at 6 a.m. when our episodes go live. Thanks, guys, and remember to keep moving forward.